Orientation on a map refers to the relationship between the map and the real world. One key aspect of map orientation is understanding the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. Imagine you are holding a map facing north. The top of the map is north, right is east, left is west, and bottom is south. Orientation can also refer to the alignment between the map's features and the corresponding real-world features. For example, a road running north on a map should actually be heading north in real life. Map orientation is crucial for accurate navigation, whether on a hike, road trip, or even using GPS. Incorrect orientation can lead to getting lost or taking the wrong path. To determine the orientation of a map without a compass, you can use landmarks or features you recognize to help you align the map correctly. Some maps include indicators like a compass rose to show the orientation, making it easier for users to understand which way is which. Map orientation becomes especially important when using tools like GPS devices or smartphone maps, where a clear understanding of direction is needed for efficient navigation. In aviation and marine navigation, map orientation plays a vital role in ensuring pilots and sailors stay on course and reach their destination safely. Overall, understanding map orientation not only helps in reading maps accurately but also enhances navigation skills in various settings.